cups milk?
For 6 cup tea.
For 6 cups tea.
And this is good water?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so slow to come.
So how much water did you put in?
3 cups, half, so it's usually half water and half
Milk. So 3 cups, 2% milk, and 3 cups water for 6 cups tea.
I think I put only 2 now, right?
Mm-hmm. So 5 cardamom and that much ginger for 6 cups. So smash the not garlic, ginger. Really good. So we got the ginger and the cardamom in there. And then put the heat up to medium now.
And the milk start boiling.
Just until boil. And you need a wooden spoon. You can use one of those wooden spoons.
Oh,
So how much are
I
you?
would say this much for a cup.
That's a lot of sugar, Mom.
I will see.
That's too much. That's too sweet. That's good.
Okay, put 5 and then we'll see.
So stir it every often with a wooden
Yeah.
spoon.
Then it won't boil. You have to watch milk boil over really fast.
Okay.
So you have to watch it. That's why it's stirring it. The other thing to the top, what do you call that thing? We call it taro. If you don't, it has like a creamy
Yeah,
little
it gets
thing.
that skin.
Yeah. So this way it just won't form that. So you have enough for a couple of days. Yenny's here, right? I need at least 1 more spoon. I think you try it.
How long do you let this boil?
I don't know.
How long does it take to boil? Or you just do it till it boils?
Yeah.
And then once it
Then
boils,
watch it. You have to make sure you won't boil over. So when you make chai, you have to stick around, right? Watch it.
and then how long do you let it boil? Do you have to let it simmer or
Oh,
anything?
just boil it and then just put the tea in it and just simmer it for a couple of minutes.
Just a couple minutes?
Yeah, 2-3 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Then strain it.
Right. You can't drink like that. You
Right.
have to strain it. And
Oh.
then drink it. And I make
So
yours.
when it starts boiling, turn it down.
Yeah, turn it down and then add the tea and let it simmer for a few minutes. Maybe it's the density of the milk or what.
I don't know. The milk was really cold. Did you use cold water?
Whatever was here. in the
Oh, yeah, that might not have been as cold.
Right. And I think that's the same with
jar. Otherwise,
going back a long time, right? Where people didn't exactly
Yeah.
get the same, yeah.
I'll just use a spoon.
So how much tea? 1 teaspoon per cup?
Kinda, let me see, that might be too much.
Do you want a teaspoon?
So I'm going to do like a cup like that. Maybe
What do you mean?
that's probably for 2 cups. Then I'll just try after it's boiling. So I have 3 spoonfuls. Because I haven't used this tea, so I don't know how strong. Some teas are different too, you know.
I think you told me 1 teaspoon or 1 bag in the recipe you wrote to me.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Per cup.
Yeah, maybe it's just, I mean, some teas are so strong. And I usually use the tea bags, you know.
Right.
The
You
Tetley
use
tea bag.
The Tetley tea bag.
I just use 1 bag
per cup, right?
Yeah. Then you don't have to strain it or anything. It's a little easier.
Right.
Yeah, this might need a little bit more. I'm gonna put 1 more spoon for. Oops. I'm sure everybody like a little bit strong, kind of medium.
Yeah. I'm gonna taste the tea.
Yeah.
So how long now for this? 2 to 3 minutes?
Yeah. Think the color look good, or should I put a little bit more?
I think a little bit more. Looks
Yeah,
kind of
that's what I'm
light, doesn't
thinking,
it?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to put one more spoon, so it'll be 6 spoon, I think. Some teas are strong and some, it depends how they make it or what, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. He's doing pretty good.
I wonder. So then it gets a little bit more stronger, you know.
So cover it or simmer
Cover
it.
Yeah, simmer it for a couple of minutes and then turn up the heat off and cover it and leave it there for a
Let it
couple of
steep.
minutes. Yeah, kind of steep it.
It's going away. Yeah. So the way that they set these greens. Yeah.
She wanted, she's giving the recipe.
This is gonna be probably more than that. Oh, maybe not.
Well, she measured 6 cups.
No, you're right.
Now, why do you do that?
It's kind of mix well.
Because you know how people in India take it, pour it from.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Make it like foamy.
Yeah. Oh, that's why they do that, to make
Yeah,
it foamy.
just make it mix really well. Then it cool off a little too, you know. But I think it's mostly just mixing it well. I would think it mixes when it boils, but there. I think you want to grab the cup. Oh, I better pour it that much. This cup is bigger.
That's fine.
Okay, I'll do that much. Oh, maybe I'll come over there. Oh, that's hard.
Yeah,
Just pass the
okay.
cup. Just pass the
Oh, we did have some left over then.
Yeah, I can pour a little bit more in there. It seems like this cup was too big. I wasn't sure.
All right, any other chaya tips?
This is it. I don't need too much if I won't sleep on it.